Morning, guys. For the longest time I've heard about this, but I've only run into this a few times. Basically what you need to keep an eye on is electrical connections that connect to a fluid, oil pressure sensor, coolant temperature sensor. This is a thermostat that's electronically controlled. And basically what can happen is that the component fails and then it leaks fluid, and that fluid travels up through the connector along the wiring. It can follow the wiring all the way to the computer, where it creates havoc. You can see there are 4 pins missing. This connector is okay. So the coolant seeped all the way up to the ECM and corroded these connectors. And yeah, so I needed a new computer, programming. There's the connector here, or the cover, the locking cover. It was burnt. There's the better view of it. And this one here was the worst side. So oil pressure sensor, coolant temperature sensor, the reservoir, coolant reservoir level sensor, that's a possibility. Anything that touches liquid, be it for pressure or temperature, even the transmission harness plug. The TCM is inside the transmission on most transmissions, but there are wires that leave the transmission. So if you ever remove the transmission harness plug and you see oil at the harness plug, that oil can also travel up and cause havoc. So it's one of those things, keep an eye on all of those connections. Thank you for watching.